How to log in Wells Fargo mobile banking account. So basically, if you want to log into your Wells Fargo mobile banking account, it is actually quite very simple to do so. For this, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Wells Fargo mobile banking app, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Once you launch the mobile app, what you want to do from here is you want to simply make sure to enter the username and your password. So just enter the username that you used to register for your mobile banking account, then enter your password. Now sometimes you must have forgotten your username or password. In that case, you can just tap on this option that says forgot username or password option. Then after you've done that, you should be able to go ahead and then make sure to enter the login details, and once done, you'll be able to go ahead and then basically enter your SSN or ITIN or your username or your account number to reset your password. If you have not yet registered for mobile banking, you can tap the Enroll button to register for your Wells Fargo mobile banking. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon as always in the next video.